Are you a gamer with a passion for sharing your epic plays and hilarious fails with the world? Have you ever dreamed of starting your own streaming channel? The good news is you don't need to break the bank to build an awesome streaming setup. In fact, you can create a professional looking streaming setup on a small budget. In this video, I'm going to give you the ultimate blueprint for a budget-friendly gaming and streaming setup. I'm going to show you exactly what you need and how much everything costs. So if you're ready to stop dreaming and start streaming, stick around. What's up, guys? Welcome to Onourshelf. I'm Jess, and today I'm going to show you how to build the ultimate gaming streaming setup on a budget. Let's get started. First thing we're going to start with is a gaming system. In this case, we have a PlayStation 5. Here's the PlayStation 5. I'm assuming you already have one, so I'm not going to go over the price. Next up, we have a laptop. In this case, Asus. This is the laptop I have. It's an Asus VivoBook laptop. It's a 15-inch OLED display. I'm not going to recommend this one because of the price. It costs around $700. You don't need to pay that much because all you really need it for is for live streaming. This VivoBook laptop has a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus 8-core processor, and it has 512 gigabytes of SSD. So here are the two laptops that I'm going to recommend. They're both Asus VivoBook laptops, and we're going to decide which one is good and which one is better. The one on the left is a 17-inch, and the one on the right is a 14-inch. They both have 16 gigabytes of RAM, and they both have the same processor, Intel Core i3. So the reason why we will be needing a laptop is to stream and to use the streaming apps, OBS or Streamlabs, and these laptops will get the job done. They're not gaming laptops, but they'll do just fine. Which one would you pick? The one on the left costs $475, and the one on the right costs $325. Up next, I want to show you this really cool Iron Man mouse. It's a wireless 2.4G portable mouse. It lights up in the dark. It has a stunning red light, and it just looks really cool. It costs around $18. Next, we have a video capture card. So you're probably wondering, what is a capture card? A video capture card is a hardware device that converts an external video signal, such as from a gaming console or a camera, into a digital format that a computer can process, record, or stream. This capture card is for streaming Full HD 1080p, and it's perfect to get started for live streaming, and it costs around $26. Moving on, we have a UHD 2K web camera. This web camera is by Papa-Look. It's a 2K 1080p web camera. It has a privacy cover and LED lights and dual microphones. We have our own microphone with much better quality, so we won't be using their microphone. And this web camera has 3 level adjustable touch sensitive lights. And this web camera costs around $16. Next, we have a USB-C 7-in-1 hub. This is the 7-in-1 hub multi-port adapter with a 4K HDMI dongle. You're definitely going to need this dongle because it gives you more ports for the extra plugs. It has an SD-TF card reader, 3 USB-A's, and a USB-C. This 7-in-1 hub costs around $10. For headphones, we have the XW300. These headphones are really cool. As far as the appearance box goes, they're checked. They have this really cool camel color. These headphones are used for the people you are playing the game with, so your live commentary. They also have 4 customizable RGB light modes. They are noise canceling headphones, and they have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and they cost around $14. The HD60 chat link. So what is a chat link Pro? A chat link is an audio adapter cable used by content creators to capture both gameplay audio and party chat audio when streaming or recording from a PlayStation. The way you would use the chat link is to connect it to a headset, a microphone, and the capture card. This chat link costs around $14. This is going to be our microphone kit by Integear. I know you all are looking at the box and are like, what happened? We had a bad storm, the box was left out, sitting out for a few days, and this is what happened. But I think what's inside should be fine. Well, we're gonna find out. Whew, everything still looks good. All right, now let's take everything out the box. This is the microphone you're going to use to talk to your streaming audience. This Integear microphone is a USB noise cancellation microphone, and it has 4 RGB indicator lights. It has an adjustable metal boom arm stand. It has a shock mount and a pop filter. This microphone costs around $30. Here is my Bitcoin cryptocurrency mouse pad. It has stitched edges and a non-slip rubber base. This mouse pad costs around $10. So there you have it, guys, for a total investment of just $433 with the lowest VivoBook laptop price included, which was $325. It's not just a list of items, but a blueprint for building a professional looking and sounding stream without breaking the bank. So yeah, this is a 2-part series. This was part 1 of 2. So make sure you click that notification bell so you can be notified when part 2 is posted. Part 1 was basically about me showing you what you need and how much everything costs. Part 2 is going to be about me showing you how to set everything up. So in conclusion, I will put links below to everything I listed in this video to make it easier for you guys to find and search for. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. I hope this video was helpful. I also wanted to point out that this ultimate setup is also used for the Xbox and Nintendo, so it's not just for the PlayStation 5. Take care. I'll see you in part 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.